students, welcome back. Today I am continuing the lesson chromosome and sex determination. In the previous video, we discussed about what is chromosome and what are the types of chromosome. Today we are going to discuss on sex determination and the chromosomal disorder. Sex determination is the process of determining gender of newly born babies or offsprings. We know that the cell contains two types of chromosome, autosomes and sex chromosome. From pair 1 to 22, all are autosomes, and the 23rd pair in male, that is X and Y, and in female, X and X copies of chromosome are found. That is, in male there is 44 plus XY, and in female that is 44 plus XX chromosome are there. By this, it is clear that the gender of newly born baby is determined with the help of X or Y chromosome present in the male gamete. If the X chromosome of the male gamete fuses with X chromosome of female gamete, then the newborn baby will be girl, girl child, and if X fuses with the Y, then the newborn baby will be a boy child. You can see this in the picture clearly. X fuses with X to give girl, and Y fuses with X to give birth to a boy child. Now the next part, chromosomal disorder. The abnormal condition due to something unusual in individual's chromosome. That means if the regular pattern of chromosome is not intact in a body, there is some changes occur in the regular pattern, then it is known as chromosomal disorder. For example, in Down syndrome, there is the presence of extra one chromosome full or in a part in 21st pair. In the Turner syndrome, most often there is one X chromosome. That is, there is not the regular pattern of chromosome found in the body. This condition is known as chromosomal disorder. Here, before chromosomal disorder, we need to discuss about a genetic disease, hemophilia, which is also known as sex-linked disease. In this, there is a symptom in which the blood doesn't clot normally. This type of disease is known as hemophilia. Hemophilia, the blood doesn't clot normally. This is generally seen in the male child. If the Y chromosome from father fuses with hemophilic gene of X chromosome from the mother, then the hemophilia occurred in the child. Now Down syndrome. This Down syndrome is firstly discovered by Langdon Down, so it is called Down syndrome, in which there is one partial or full extra copy of chromosome in the 21st pair, so it is also known as trisomy of 21st pair. You can check that in the picture. There is 3 chromosomes in 21st pair instead of being 2. The symptoms of Down syndrome are delayed development. The development rate is slow and the learning disability is found there. The flat facial structure, short-sightedness, deafness, thickening of the palm, etc. There are some facts given in the picture. People with Down syndrome have an extra copy of chromosome, and there are each year 6,000 babies born with Down syndrome in the United States. There are 3 different types of Down syndrome exist in the world, and half of the older adult with Down syndrome will develop memory loss. This type of characters are seen there. Now the next, Klinefelter syndrome. This Klinefelter syndrome is genetic condition that only affect male. The condition is present from birth and is due to an extra chromosome. Extra X chromosome is found there. It is also known as 47 or XXY or XXY karyotype is found there. And this Klinefelter syndrome is seen in the male, so that there is some reproductive problem are seen in male, like low sperm count, small testicles and penis, low sex drive, taller than average height, weak bone, there is more belly fat, low testosterone level. These are the symptoms of this Klinefelter. Another symptom is Turner syndrome. It is generally found in females, and in this there is the lack of one X chromosome, that is 45 chromosomes are present in the body with one X. 44 plus XX should be there, but there is only 44 plus X, that is there is only 45 chromosomes present in the body, and the 23rd pair, which must have two chromosomes, there is only one, and this leads to the lack of secondary sexual characteristics in female, that is swelling of hands and feet is found especially at the butt. Also broad chest with wide spaced nipples are found. Short stature is there. Delayed puberty, infertility, heart defect are found in there. There is low hairline at the back of the head. These type of symptoms are seen due to the Turner syndrome. Thank you.